Hey guys, this is Dan. I'm trying to print thing number 13588, companion cube upgrade. As you can see, it's companion cube. It's dimensions are set at 1 inch by 1 inch square. I increased the size a little bit. You can see I have it on my Makerware software. I raised it up to 40 millimeters by 40 millimeters. It's about a little over 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. So go ahead and print this. Still stuck here on the build plate. I had one layer, looks like it didn't come in all the way. You can see on this side. Looks like there's a little bit of burnt plastic right above the heart there. Right in there. So there's one layer that's not quite fully built, as you can see. Otherwise it's not too bad. It's got a little black burntness there on the plastic on that one layer. I'm not sure what happened. I wasn't watching it. I have the time lapse, as you just saw. I really couldn't tell what happened there. Maybe the plastic kind of got held up a little bit there or something. Otherwise, it's come out pretty good. I'm surprised the hearts came out as well as they did, being printed vertically like that. But nice little 3D print.